International buyers make purchase decisions in less than 8 seconds when they are viewing your factory websites. And without professional factory videos, most of these inquiries are going to your competitors who have a better visual representation. Today, I'll reveal why Indian manufacturers are missing out on international contracts and why they need factory videos to build instant trust and credibility. So let's talk about a typical challenge which every Indian exporter will face. You have a world-class manufacturing facility, you have ISO certification, quality control systems, and competitive pricing. But when international buyers from US, Europe, Middle East visit your website, what do they typically see? Poorly lit factory photos taken on mobile phones, maybe a PDF brochure from 2015, perhaps some product images on a white background, and that is if you have any visual content at all. Meanwhile, other exporters, your competitors from different countries and even India have cinematic factory videos showcasing every detail of their manufacturing process and facility. According to a survey in 2024, 89% of international buyers and importers require factory video before making a purchase decision of an order above $50,000, and 67% eliminate suppliers without professional factory presentation. Your factory capabilities matter as much as your presentation, because without a good presentation, your buyers can't see and trust you. A professional factory video for export marketing must accomplish 4 critical objectives that build buyer confidence. Objective 1, showcase your manufacturing scale and capacity. International buyers need to see your factory floor space, production lines, machinery count, output capacity. They are essentially trying to answer, can this factory handle my 50,000 unit order? Your video must answer yes, visually and convincingly. So objective 2, demonstrate quality control and certification. Show your quality inspection stations, testing equipment, measurement processes, ISO certification documentation. International buyers have been burned by low quality suppliers. Your video must prove you maintain international quality standards. Objective 3, display modern machinery and technology. This signals investment in capabilities and ability to meet international technical requirements. You have to show CNC machines, automated production lines, modern technology integrations. Buyers want suppliers who invest in excellence. And the last objective, present professional workforce and safety standards. Show trained operators, safety equipment usage, clean, organized work environments, proper lighting and ventilation. International buyers have corporate social responsibility requirements. Your factory conditions matter as much as your product quality. When your factory video demonstrates all 4, capacity, quality, technology, and professionalism, international buyers develop trust before they visit your facility. That trust converts into export inquiries and confirmed orders. At Onewrk, we've produced factory videos for manufacturers across India, from various different textiles to engineering component manufacturers to CNC machine manufacturers to furniture manufacturers. And here's our proven process that helps Indian exporters win international contracts. Step 1, we first do a factory audit and understand the opportunities. We will visit your facility, assess your manufacturing strengths, identify competitive advantages, and determine what international buyers in your industry want to see. Not every factory corner deserves camera time. We focus on what closes deals. Step 2, factory preparation and optimization. Before filming, we help organize production areas, improve lighting, and add English safety signages if they are not there. Prepare the product displays, small changes that dramatically improve how your factory appears on camera. Next is production planning and shooting schedule. We coordinate filming around your production schedules, identify ideal shooting times, arrange workforce availability, and minimize disruption to your operations. Your production continues while we capture it professionally. Next, professional cinematography. So we essentially use professional cameras, stabilization equipment, and proper lighting, and wherever needed, aerial drone footage for a factory overview. Factory videos shot on mobile phone signal a small unprofessional operation. A production quality signals a world-class manufacturing facility. Next, multilingual script and voiceover production. We provide a professional English voiceover explaining your capabilities, processes, and quality standards. We can deliver these scripts across various different languages. We recommend you create various videos for specific target markets. Clear narration builds understanding and as a byproduct, trust. Strategic editing. Our goal is to highlight the competitive advantage. We edit your factory videos to emphasize on your unique strengths, whether it's specialized machinery, rapid production capacity, superior quality control, or certification depth. Every manufacturer has his or her own competitive advantages. Our editing is to make sure that none of this is missed. And the last step is multi-platform optimization for international distribution. So we deliver versions that are optimized for different websites, starting from simple social media websites like YouTube, LinkedIn, to export websites like Alibaba, IndiaMart, and other trade show websites. Essentially, each one of these platforms will have its own requirements for duration, aspect ratios, etc. We will ensure that all of it is optimized for that, and your single production investment is going to maximize your international visibility. Our exporter client have reported an incredible increase in international buyers. Few of them have said videos produced year back, even today, consistently deliver orders. We have reduced sales cycles, and the best part is that the pre-qualified leads, people who are already aware about your brand, have shot up significantly, multifold increase. For me, what matters most is this: our factory videos have helped Indian manufacturers compete with Chinese suppliers by demonstrating equal or superior capabilities. Essentially, when the presentation quality matches your production quality, the Indian manufacturer wins not just on price and reliability, but on relationship as well. Your factory video levels the competitive playing field for you. So, if your factory deserves international customers, but your website doesn't reflect your manufacturing excellence, it's time for a professional factory video. Onewrk's factory video production starts at just 1.5 lakhs, a one-time investment that will work on your export marketing 24 hours a day. Book a free factory video consultation today. We will assess based on your facility all the different marketing potential your factory is missing out on. Call me, send me a message, or fill out the link in the description. Let's showcase your manufacturing capabilities to the world.